Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has shot off a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He suggested that the centre shares anti-COVID-19 vaccine formula with two manufacturers and with other companies to scale up production. He also said scaling up vaccine production is needed to vaccinate everyone before the onset of the next wave. This comes in midst of an ongoing war of words between the centre and the Delhi government over vaccine availability. After the BJP claimed that the Delhi government had ordered just 5.5 lakh vaccine doses, Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia refuted these allegations, saying 1.34 crore doses were ordered for the people of Delhi, but they were not provided for by the centre.
दिल्ली में हमारे पास अब केवल कुछ दिन के वैक्सीन बचा है और ये समस्या देशव्यापी है। पूरे देश में इस वक्त वैक्सीन की भारी कमी हो रही है। इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि हम भारत में वैक्सीन का उत्पादन युद्ध स्तर पर बढ़ाएं और देश के हर नागरिक को अगले कुछ महीने में वैक्सीन लगाने की राष्ट्रीय योजना बनाएं। मैं आज एक सुझाव देना चाहता हूं। वैक्सीन बनाने का काम केवल दो कंपनियां ना करें, कई कंपनियों को वैक्सीन बनाने में लगाया जाए। केंद्र सरकार इन दोनों कंपनियों से वैक्सीन बनाने का फार्मूला ले ले और उन सभी कंपनियों को दे दे जो सुरक्षित तरीके से वैक्सीन बना सकती हैं।
So Arvind Kejriwal says that if vaccination for all has to be completed on time and quickly and before the onset of the third wave, just the two companies cannot provide vaccines for all. They cannot fulfill orders, not just for Delhi, but for the entire country. And that is why India needs more vaccine production. That vaccine production needs to be scaled up. Apart from Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India, there are other manufacturers. Waive the patent, share the formula. Especially Bharat Biotech's formula can be shared with other companies since the patent is held by the government, by the ICMR. And that is why if it's shared with other manufacturers, production can be scaled up. That will benefit the country. I want to quickly cut across to India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, now everyone's aware of the problem. There are long queues for vaccines. There aren't enough vaccines. What's the solution? While the centre may have asked states and may have told states they are free to acquire vaccines from private sources, but what's the viable plan B or the road ahead?
Well, Gaurav, the road ahead definitely is for the vaccine manufacturers to scale up, and not just scale up in a small way. They have to scale up in a massive way, because the way in which we are seeing people queuing up, and the problem is not with those who want the first dose. We are seeing a major outrage amongst those who want to get the second dose. Most of the people in the country, 45 plus, have got the first dose. They are now desperately waiting for the second dose, and that is something which they are not getting their hands on. And in fact, if you talk about the national capital, the Deputy Chief Minister has gone on record to say they will have to shut down all the vaccination centres if they don't get the required doses. We are also seeing how the government is now also asking states to speak with the vaccine manufacturers. But the question still remains, Gaurav, do they have the capacity? Do the vaccine manufacturers have the capacity to give a second dose to everyone who's eligible and first dose to everyone who's now trying to register? The answer simply, Gaurav, is for them to scale up manufacturing many folds.
Aishwarya Paliwal.